Now, when you're doing this, all you have to do is loosen up the screws just a hair. And then also the other screws that I put in, okay? The new ones, all right? Just enough to where you still can move things around just a hair, but still have it tight enough so you don't have to loosen the whole thing up and then tighten it and then look at it and all that kind of stuff. I just loosened it up enough to drag this one down a little bit. Okay, I'm liking that. Okay, if anything, it probably could be lowered down. So I'm going to go down that way just a little bit. We'll see what that looks like. You know, I'm just eyeballing it. I'm not gonna. I could start measuring and getting a level out and all that kind of stuff. That looks pretty good. So now I'm going to be careful as I pull it open, and we're gonna go back on this side before I tighten that up. And I have already pulled this one down, so I'm going to be careful just to pull that there. I've already lowered that one down. We're going to take a look at that. Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm thinking right there. See, I'm trying to take keep my my camera out of the way. See, I'm liking that. I'm liking that. I could just possibly take that down a little bit, but I'm starting to already see where the paint was from before. Like they didn't mask that off exactly 100%, did they? Ah. And I'm thinking I'm gonna leave it alone. I don't think I'm gonna do much more to that. Could I possibly lift the other side up? This side up just a smidge. Yeah. Okay. And I could sink that down. Okay, so see, you go back and forth a little bit, sink your screws down at this point, stand back, take a look at it again on both sides, because as I raise that one up, chances are it probably did not move on the other side, but I'll look at that and then I'll cinch it all down when I am happy with it, okay? And just a tip for you, I can get to that screw by leaving this handle off. I just put the screwdriver in there kind of at a slight angle. Then I can use this as a wedge to lift up or down, whatever I want to do. You don't have to keep popping these on and off, on and off, on and off. I'm just leaving them there, and I can still loosen up the screws and get her done. Now here's another tip. When you're working with doors and handles and all that kind of stuff, and your doors are already painted, I've already washed my hands 2 different times while I've been working with this, because when you start working with the screws, you start handling things, you're liable to get your fingers dirty, and then you're going to be holding on to the door and moving around and stuff, and now you're going to get door smudges, your finger smudges all on the doors, okay? In fact, if I look really close, let's see, there's a little mark right there, nothing big, but yeah, right there, and where I put my thumb right there, I can see just a little, not a whole lot, but when I get done with this whole thing and I call it good, then I'll take a little simple green or soapy water, whatever you got, and gently wipe around the door handles and the door. And before I call it good, I'll do that, wipe it all up, take all my tools out of here, vacuum the floor, make it look like I was never here. Okay, that's how you like to leave a job. All right, stick around, stick with me so I can show you what it looks like, and then I'll move on to that ball and socket thing up there and show you how that works. Because yes, you can adjust those, and we'll talk about that after I get this fixed, so stick around.